Document skewing occurs when the angle of text lines in an image don't line up with the top or bottom of the image. This happens all the time when we scan or take photographs of documents, and it can make documents difficult to read or difficult to digitize with OCR services. Let's walk through an easy solution we can use in Power Automate to solve this problem for any of our skewed files. Let's click Create and select the Instant Cloud Flow option. Let's then select the option to manually trigger our flow and then click Create once again. All we're going to do in this flow is get the skewed image file we want, make our conversion, and then create a new unskewed file and store it somewhere. Let's start by clicking New Step and looking for the Get File Content action. I'll be using OneDrive and navigating the folder path to find my skewed image file. Next, let's click New Step again and type Cloudmersive into the search bar. From the list of connectors below, let's click on the Image Processing Connector with the yellow logo. As you can see, I just went straight to the actions list, but if it's your first time using this connector, you'll see an authentication window come up instead. You can use any Cloudmersive connector for free up to 800 times per month with a free tier API key, and you can get one of those by registering a free account on our website. Once we reach the actions list, let's type Detect and Unskew into the search bar. The action we want should come up right below that. This action will automatically detect the angle of our skewed document image and correct it for us, which makes our lives really easy. All we need to do is enter our file content and file name. We can grab dynamic content for the first field, and we can then provide any name in the second field with the correct file extension. At the bottom, we also have the option to apply a quick post-processing effect to our image if we want. This action is designed to optimize document images for OCR, so if we set this field to black and white, all one word, our output image will come out in grayscale. If we don't set this field, our document image will retain its original color. Let's now click New Step again and set up a Create File step so we can see the output of our operation. I'm using the OneDrive action once again. I'll now quickly save and test my flow so you can see the before and after in my OneDrive folder. As we can see, the original document had a pretty significant skew to the right, and the flow corrected that considerably. It also removed the black background, so the document image is now primed for OCR. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Power Automate tips and demonstrations.